Restores moisture levels in the hair with natural essential oils and keratin. Strengthens and seals the hair cuticles, protecting against future damage. Adds shine and elasticity. CHI Keratin Reconstructing Conditioner. Product description. Reconstructive conditioner that restores moisture levels in the hair with natural essential oils and keratin, strengthening and sealing the hair's cuticle, helping to protect against future damage. How to use. After shampooing, apply a generous amount of CHI Keratin conditioner into hair, focusing on damaged areas. Leave on 3 to 5 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with cold water. CHI Keratin Collection. Instantly transform your dry, frizz, keratin depleted hair into healthy, smooth locks with the new CHI Keratin line. With Keratrix, which utilizes sustained release system technology for all-day treatment and protection. This highly sophisticated compound replenishes and protects hair's natural keratin protein, dramatically improving elasticity and preventing future breakage, while adding intense hydration that restores softness and shine. Top reviews from the United States. Good for your hair. I did a review for the shampoo and mentioned the conditioner. They both have improved the health of my hair. I love them both.